Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG, and today I am doing a boil test of the Odoland stove and their pot. So it's a 600 milliliter aluminum pot and a pretty standard stove, this canister stove. Um, it is a little bit unique because the pot has a heat exchanger. So we've got 300 milliliters of water. It's about 80 degrees, slight breeze off and on, fairly humid day. So I'm going to go ahead and get it going and we'll see how long it takes to boil. Okay, couldn't get the piezoelectric to start, but with my lighter, I got it to start. So you can hear it. Fairly loud stove, at least from my point of view. Don't know if you can hear it over that plane. So for 500 milliliters, it's stated that this should be able to boil in 2 to 4 minutes. So for 300, we're looking hopefully at about a minute if it promises the efficiency that it says so. And so looking in there, I do start to see some formation of bubbles on the bottom of the pot. There is some movement at the top, so I think we're going to get pretty close to a boiling. Okay, at a minute 27, we have a rolling boil. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next boil test.